Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Budget Gaming HD. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing the NetumScan HD camera. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Budget Gaming HD. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing and testing the NetumScan HD camera. So let's jump right in. So in today's video, you can look forward to seeing camera quality, audio quality, and I will be measuring it against my current HD webcam. So I bought this camera on Amazon for around £46 and I thought, yes, it might be a lot for a webcam, especially if you just want to do some streaming, but I thought I might as well buy it and test it. So this also supports a maximum resolution of 2592 by 1944. It's a bit of an odd resolution, but I can scale that down to 1080p and get a better frames per second. Or well, hopefully that's the plan. That's what I will test out today. Now, already from the look, this cam looks absolutely amazing. Like, my Dericam is pretty cool, but this one certainly takes the spot. So there's your privacy slide, and it has two areas for mic. I mean, that is amazing. Let's see how long the cord is. It has a standard 1.5 meter cord. So it says at the back here, USB HD 5 megapixel webcam. Okay, so at least it is what it says it is. 23-pound Dericam versus a 46-pound NetumScan HD 5 megapixel camera.
So this is Dericam test 1. No microphone filtering and lights are on. Now I'm going to switch off the lights so you guys can take a comparison. So this is Dericam test 2 without lights, no microphone filtering.
So this is the NetumScan test 1 HD camera with lights on, no microphone filtering. I'm going to switch the lights off so you guys can make a comparison. So this is the NetumScan test 2, no microphone filtering, lights are off.
So this is webcam test next to each other. I'm currently looking at the NetumScan HD camera with my streamer's mic as audio. I'm currently looking at the Dericam HD webcam with my streamer's mic as audio. Now, I would say the Dericam takes the competition. There's a few reasons. One would be smoothness, as you guys can see. I would say the Dericam wins here. The second reason is the pixels. The pixels look far sharper here than in here, but we will obviously get the end result as soon as I render the video. Now, there's a big difference between the two cameras. One, I would say this one is more made for streamers, as it's got a fisheye or a cat's eye, I'm not too sure what you call it. It's got a round lens. As you guys can see, it curves here at the side of my computer. The NetumScan is more made for an office environment. It's more square-like. If you're a tech reviewer or you just want far distance camera, and you want a square box, then this is the camera for you. If you just want to do streaming on a budget and you want crisp picture, or at least to my opinion crisp, then you're looking at the Dericam. So 24 pounds versus 46 pounds. You guys can make your own decision or assumption on that. Now, to get to the last point, which my Dericam does not support, is optical zoom or digital zoom. It does not have an optical zoom lens, or at least I could not establish that from the booklet that I've read. However, if you guys will see closely, it auto focuses. Where my Dericam does not do that. It just sits there. It's not a bad thing that it just sits there because it gives you the same picture every single time. But if you want to do close focus, then this is the camera for you. Look at that, it auto adjusts. And then the last point that I want to make is, it's probably not an important point, but I had to mention it. The NetumScan has got an easy privacy slide that I slide over like this. And it's closed, and it's open. It adjusts as well. Pretty cool. The Dericam does not have this. If I close it, it has a chunky privacy screen. However, it does work at the end. No one can spy on you. But it is clunky, it is chunky, and it is, if you press it too hard, your webcam moves. Where this one, you can slide as much as you want. So just to recap, Dericam, crisp picture, or at least in my opinion. NetumScan has got a better Teams environment or a better far-seeing environment. The Dericam is obviously cheaper and more for a budget streamer, I would say. So, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you actually like this review and if you want to see more reviews like this. I like it. I love webcams and I thought this was freaking amazing to make this video for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I shall see you soon.